Hi there, do you want to solve battery drainages on your Xiaomi device recently? Some Xiaomi Android users keep saying their mobile battery is draining too quickly. Now if you see that your Xiaomi device keeps losing battery percentage so quickly, then don't worry. Here I analyze the issues. I present the top 5 proven solutions that will fix the battery drain issues on any Xiaomi or any other Android device. So let's get started. Before you do anything, you must check the battery health of your Xiaomi device. So the first work you need to do is open dialer. Type *#*6485*#*. This will tell you all the physical info about your battery. Now check MB6. If this says good, it means you don't have to worry. You can keep watching this video to solve, but if it says not good, that means you have issues with your battery health. In that case, you need to change your battery. Now your battery says it's good, and you want to solve the battery drain issue. Then you need to open the setting. Scroll down. Tap Notification and Control Center. Tap App Notification. Now you need to turn off notifications from those apps that aren't important. This can be for TikTok or Free Fire or other. After that, go back and scroll down. Tap Display and set the dark mode feature option for your device.